I don't want any flowers business. I think planting flowers is a waste of time if it's not medicinal. Previously on designing my dream home, we found the plunge pool design that we wanted and also how the front part of the house would look. Now today I'm going to see what the backyard and the front yard would look like. So let's jump on in. Along with art, I love architecture and interior designing, but I'm not trained in any of these fields. I always want to know what my house would look like in the future, so I choose to do this as a fun hobby, to look for designs I like, and I'm going to do it with you guys. You can follow along. Just note, my focus is never on material things but my soul. Front yard. I'm not too sure what I like where front yard is concerned, so we're going to scroll through together and see what is there. I think I would like a driveway, and I definitely don't want my garage to be at the front. I want my garage to be at the back part. I'm not sure if I'm going to find that exact image. Front yard, let's type in front yard with driveway. If I see anything similar to what is in my head, I will pick it out. But right now, I'm not seeing anything. This is leading to the garage. Probably similar to this one. So let's see what is below that. If I can find anything.
This one is cute, but
wait a minute. I just saw something else. This is a good one. Let me open image in tab. I don't think it would take too long to find what I'm looking for, hopefully, because it's just a simple front yard and a simple backyard, and I basically want a driveway, but I want the garage to be at the back so you can drive around. Something like this, I guess. Driveway leading to the back, probably. Should I put circular driveway? I'm gonna put that in soon, but I saw something not too long ago. Where is it? Probably something like this. Opening new tab. I think I like that one, but it's too big. Not sure if they're going to show me one that I really like, because my taste is really unique. Yes, basically it's unique, but I'm not seeing what I'm looking for. Front yard with circular driveway. Alright,
so we got the view here.
Alright guys, so I don't want like something like this in the middle of the yard. I'm gonna use this image for the time being. So this gateway is what I really like, and then the driveway coming in. Then the car would drive around the back into the garage, or drive here around the back into the garage. So picture it guys. So I wouldn't want, probably this would be cute in the center, I'm not sure. But this is somewhat extremely similar to what I needed. I press opening tab. So I'm going to use this as the inspiration for now. So yes guys, we have the front yard done. The front yard is done. It's so easy, right? Can't wait to get to the different rooms guys. Backyard with veggie garden. No, I don't want any flowers business. I think planting flowers is a waste of time if it's not medicinal. I think it's a waste of time. So I rather plant things that I can eat or medicinal. So I don't want too big of a backyard that I cannot take care of it, or a garden where I cannot take care of it. So oh my god, I like this one. Oh, so cute. Something like this, guys. Seems as if we're finished for today. Look at that. Simple and cute. Look at these veggie garden. And look how they use up the backyard space. I don't know how it will work with the pool though. But let's see if we can find something with pool and garden. I also wanted like a gazebo, but let's see, backyard, veggie garden, and pool. Alright, so what I have in mind is not there. What I would want is the pool to be immediately behind the house, and then probably the gazebo or the... Alright, let's type in the gazebo. I don't think it's a gazebo. It's like a, what you call it now? Something like this. What you would call, what this says a gazebo. I think it starts with a P. Pen, P, something. something like this, then the garden would be behind it. So I'm gonna save that. Pergola. Pergola, that's it. I think that's the word I'm looking for. Pergola. Pergola. I think it's a pergola, guys. It's not a gazebo. Because the pergola can hold, like, if you want to grill something like this. If you want to grill something outside, the gazebo is more like a small dinner setting. Alright, so for example, the plunge pool would be here, and then the pergola. But this is saying gazebo, so whatever you want to call it. So and then the pergola, the gazebo would be here, and then behind it now is the garden. So I'm going to save image. I don't think I'm going to get the image that I want, so we probably would have to use that image as the inspiration. But I definitely want a gazebo or a pergola at the end of the plunge pool, and behind it is the garden, and I already selected my garden. So yeah, wait, this almost seems like it, you know, like the plunge pool would be here, the pergola would be here, and look at right here. So see how they have the garden starting there. So guys, you get the idea? I hope you got the idea or the vision. Alright, look at this. So the plunge pool would be here, the pergola would be here. It would not be so big, guys, something that I can manage. So the pergola would be here, the plunge pool is there, and behind it now, just like how you see this, would have the garden. Somewhere here, somewhere off here, the garage would be. So guys, let's take a quick look at what we did so far. So this is the gazebo or the pergola. These are the inspiration. Look at this beautiful gem right here. This is the garden. This garden is so cute and so organized. But my best bet out of all of them would be this one and this one, because you can see the backyard, and the backyard would basically be the garden and the pergola and the punch pool, and then this one here would be the front yard where the drive-through comes like that, and then it goes around the back, and instead of having this right here, it will go straight to the steps. I don't want a high step like that. I want it a bit lower, but no step at all will be good. And definitely we want probably a place where I could hang the TV and to like do grills and stuff. This one is a good one. We'll have some seatings and stuff like that. This is a good one. Alright, so that is the front yard and the backyard, peeps. We got that down. What I plan to do is to like eventually get somebody to design it for me, so I can have like a 3D model, a 3D video, something like that in the end, if you understand what I mean. So it's gonna be a video recording of my design. Yes, so that is why I'm gathering the photos, so I can send it to somebody who can render my idea to put it like a 3D video, and probably take it a step further where I can have the 3D model. But you have to stay tuned, you have to stay subscribed, you have to stay watching. Alright, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.